Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you another tool to transcribe any video or audio for free. Before we jump in, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's start. Search for Transcribe. Click Transcribe. Click it. First, you have to sign into your account. You can sign in by Microsoft account or Google account. You have different options. From here, just upload audio and video file. Daily, you can transcribe 3 audio or 3 video. Transcribe file. Browse files. For example, I have this audio. Select it. Open. You just have to wait. Here you can select cheetah, dolphin, and whale. I selected whale. It's more accurate. Now we upload the file. Here you can select the language of audio. For me, I selected English. Okay. Just transcribe. Good. Now it's finished. Just click these 3 dots. Export transcript. You can export as PDF, as Word document, TXT, CSV. I select document. Download. Okay, show in folder. Open it. That's a transcribed file. That's all. Have a nice time.